don't want to go rerun.
Now we could go for guys, we're doing the gym routine the wrong way. We all tired since we did a heavy first and now we went to light. Hey, you took a set already, you got that tired.
It's my weekend workout, alright? You take a set, you don't do a dance too, or remember?
How many you did?
Like set.
I was watching
the TV.
Yeah, you basically just exercise and watch the TV. Yeah, that's how you could do it because you don't realize you're working. That's a cheat code.
You want to switch to where it's at for the
Okay. Now your head is moving too, and you said mine was moving. It's gonna be too tall for this too. Fast or?
Fast on me, right? 7. Oh, just stop at 8.
You fail.
You know, I was even trying to stop at 8 too.
You wanna change the reps?
You already did that, right?
Yeah, my first part was recording. You just spin the whole bar. Okay, go. You're supposed to hold this right here.
Hold on side too. The side
Oh, yeah. Hey, go gig on bingo. You're not supposed to go bingo on. Yeah. That's how you did this one? Oh, no. Yeah, now recorded. Oh, I don't know what they call it. I already recorded you on that. Yeah, and B, but not me. How much the weight is. Nice. Yeah. What? No, it's basically like a shoulder shrug. So it's alright, but it's not a full extension. Legs too tall for them. My legs are cramping off. It's kind of easy, but we too tall, so our legs get like cramps. I don't know how you like adjust it, but what you do, yeah, put your shoulder underneath. It's because our legs too long, so it's kind of start cramping up. Yeah, grab those and use a sword to pursue. Keep your legs straight. Yeah, up with your shoulder. You can't even move it. How the fuck the skinny guy was moving more than you? Oh no! Damn, you got smacked, I think. It's because I don't know how to adjust it to our height.
Because you let go of the ball.
Yeah, you let go.
You looked at this beside the thing. You went in between the side.
Do it, don't do it. Guys, just turn because that guy had to do it. You got because we could lower it. Yeah, I did. Guys, me and him got. Yeah, me and him did most reps. And that guy broke the whole machine over there. For real? You talking at 25?
I think he was joking. Kind of. What's what I really? You look crying. Yes, 50.
I think I don't have the gripper right where. Yeah, faster put it in there.
Yeah, it was.
I'm supposed to take it out to hook some more on it. Yeah, go back.
I got you.
Peso head?
Oh, for sake.
You want to try it? I think we're starting. We probably tired from the other set. Here,
So who does bombing?
I make a good record. Lift I was small.
No. I'm going to prime stomach. Hold on. I'm adjusting. I'm going to make sure I got the right motion. Alright? That's too wide for me. Why is that forward? I can't lift it backwards.
Take it down for him, then let go.
I can't lift it backwards.
You can?
Not backwards.
How about if I take it up for you when you're sitting down?
Yeah, let me try a single rep without it real quick.
Okay. Sing without it's easy.
It's not a tired thing.
Yeah, I got one
That's easy without it. Yeah. I didn't find how I could do a rest. Alright, well, this is my boxing strength. So I did it for 1.5 1 pound.
No, I think I already got that on 30 on this. How is it going to work? Have you tried 25? I would wait lower than you do.
No, I need a break.
I think I went away.
Why are you drunk, you are?
You go ahead and say, we did that. Yeah. It's so over here.
I started struggling so much, my stomach started hurting.
Oh, struggling with it. Just say easy. I think almost tired.
My stomach hurts.
Was I going back up some more?
No, I'm chilling. Oh, I'm gently.
Oh, gently. How you struggling at first?
Because we didn't know how to do it. God keep on hitting his head. Yeah. I'm totally not holding it. I was just holding it, but I wasn't putting no pressure.
That was lifting it so good too.
Right, you got to go now. Wow. That's fine, you're allowed to go. Roger would say help if we needed it.
That was good.
I know, I was saying, don't hit your head again. Oh, for some minutes we didn't hit his head. You didn't go fully down to your chest. God going halfway. See, look when he has to go fully down. You did in the beginning, that's why I didn't just do it once I told her. Why else would you be jumping and everything going down to the chest?
Why are you doing this so much better to see the bar?
The bar over? Now let's make this up.
Fastest making his head already.
Oh, I'm not gripping the right area of the video just.
Yeah, if you get closer, it's more easier.
Yeah, when you know. Why is it next so low?
Yeah, okay guys, we just did 45. We all lifted, but when we got too close, we had to end the video to lift it back up. You lifted it, you had it.
Go. You can make your order and it's a race too. And it's like
Go.
You need to like a watch on your wrist and head tomorrow.
No, that doesn't matter. How could it? You know the recording.
Yeah, gotta get it proper, right? So I can do a pull-up again or whatever.
If you go overhanded, you got more grip than the way I was doing it. That's not overhand. Overhand's other way. Yeah, like that, you got more grip. But there's the
I
chin
do
knocks.
like this if you have an interchangeable.
Why are you using the
The
done?
guy's trying to
You guys having the pull up. Get your chin up.
Hey, chin now up. It's too high. I can't reach up there.
You wanna try or no?
I've never been able to do a pull-up. What do you mean you can't do a
Oh
pull-up?
yeah, you guys are earthquake back. Oh, ass crack
Oh,
pop.
that's what I was doing this. Someone, I don't know. Might be lucky. I did it.
Yeah,
Just cut that and crop it a bit.
I couldn't
reach up there. I've never been able to do a pull-up. What do you mean?
Try this one, small.
No, that is cheating.
If I can reach it for real,
Does it hard for bigger pull-up? Fair enough. Like the upper body strength that gives up early.
yeah, my upper body doesn't give up. No, but my upper body is giving up on me, just pushing through it.
But we know how we do a workout. We should do like drink some workout thing like a Gatorade, you know, like that. So it's like helps the body. But
Yo guys, you gotta try this drink. I got the C4
Skittles was it, I think. Remember?
Rainbow some shit. You got the banger.
I saw the text. It was right there.
Yeah, what you
I
got?
got the Nas high performance, but I don't know what flavor this is. I think it's the original.
Think I'll get his back though.
It's green in here, not bad. I think mine's green
tastes like
apple.
Squidrus. I'll give mine like 8. I'll give mine a 9. Yeah, yours an 8.
I get mine a 9 too. It's actually
I'll
not
give
bad.
a 9.
Oh, Cosmic Rainbow.
Beast is a 9 too. Well, that's what you don't try much fat.
I get cookies 10. I like the rainbow taste.
Same. Well, beach is like weird, basically. Yeah.
I'll give yours a sandwich. It tastes like that weird candy at the doctor office. The aftertaste has good.
Guys, I never do my intro, so I might pull this clip into the front. What's some guys' places? I for today we're gonna do a gym video with Perasika. Phil reached out, almost selected good because this guy doesn't know his own name. And the admin know for the video. Peace out and make sure to subscribe and comment and
Guys, he does the intro in the. I actually like this a lot.
outro. I mean, he did his outro in the intro. Okay, and they want to know until the end.